Welcome to my farm. Kukuha tayo ng bag.
Good morning, everyone. Come on in for a little bit of information and then we'll get you started.
We got the small bag. There's a lot of bubbles. I don't want to get it. Sorry. There's a lot. Up there. Look, this one looks red. Eh, yan yung nakuha namin. Kinuha namin. Free taste everywhere. Meron pa dito sa dinadaanan namin. Lalakad kami pa alis. Ay pa. Pauwi. Yun. Apples everywhere. Because it's apple picking season. Pero maambol. May tao dun oh. Look. Gulat pa ako kanina. Kala ko may something. Tapos mannequin. May naka ano. Kala ko pagod sila. Pagod silang ano eh. Mag-apple pick. We're sisters. So OA.
You broke my leg.
Like, I'm holding your
You broke
hands.
my hand.
May sunflower maze. Sorry. Mas maganda sana ako sunflower maze to. Yeah. Diba parang sa Tayug. Hindi pa ako nakapunta doon. Faster! Go!
Hello.
Ah. Go!
Hey, I'm coming.
Higa ka, higa!
Hi.
Okay. May ano sila. Go! Para saan yan? Pataas mo ata hanggang sa pinakadulo. Hagis mo. Hindi, maglalaban na ata kayo dun oh. Hagis mo pataas. Sakayan mo na lang. May stars sa loob. What's this? Honey ba to? Walang ano? Apple? Strawberry? Ang sarap ng apple tarts nila. Butter tart. Apple butter tart. Ang sarap. I like it. You like it? Cheers. You like it? I like it. It's yummy.
Can we get juice?
You know. Yun na lang yung nasa taas na lang yung maliit. Yung can.
Gusto ko orange.
Okay. Meron na. Uwi na kami. Yay!